everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on Introduction to Python. So in this session, we will learn the fundamentals of Python programming, starting with what Python actually is, why it is so popular, and how to write and execute our first Python program. In the follow-up series, we will also cover variables, arithmetic operations, strings, conditional statements, loops, and important Python data structures such as list, tuple, dictionaries, sets, etc. So what is Python? So Python is basically a high-level object-oriented language, which is a general-purpose programming language created by Van Rossum. It is called as general purpose language because it is used across many domains like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, game development, software development, web development, and many more. One of the reasons Python has become so popular is that this language is designed to make programs easier to write and easier to read. Okay, why Python? Why should we learn Python? First, Python is relatively simple to understand. It's really simple to understand. Its syntax is close to natural language, which makes it beginner friendly. So it has clean English-like syntax, which is very beginner friendly. Secondly, it allows us to write useful programs with very few lines of codes as compared to many other programming languages like C, C++. So you generally get much shorter code using Python compared to other programming languages. Another is it is open source and it has huge ecosystem of libraries and frameworks which you can directly import and use it without writing everything from the scratch. So this is especially important in the data science and artificial intelligence where libraries can perform complex tasks and without requiring us to build everything from scratch. Python is also capable of working with very large data sets. It can handle large data sets and is widely used in modern technology and research. So if we talk about advantages and applications of the Python, so it is interpreted and interactive language. Python is interpreted and interactive. It also supports multiple programming styles including procedural and structural programming, functional programming, and object-oriented programming. Python using dynamic data types. It uses dynamic typing. So, which means basically we don't have to declare the data types for every variable explicitly. It can also interact with technologies which are already written in many languages like C, C++, MATLAB, Java, etc. Another important feature is that Python is having a very clean and clear syntax. It has readable code, extensive libraries, cross-platform support, and it is used in education, research, data analytics, web development, automations, and many other areas. What makes it even more important is it is written in very simple way, making its code more readable and visible to eyes. It follows a clearly defined syntax and very simple structure. Okay, so that makes Python an easy to learn language. Its source code is also easy to maintain. And as I already told, it comes with a bulk of libraries which are portable and compatible with most platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever platform you are using. Okay. It also supports interactive testing and debugging, which provides interface to almost all major commercial databases. Another is that it supports GUI applications.